Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is Lesson 105, Starred Problems. If you're looking for the practice set video, that's in a previous video. So I'm going to forward this to the starred problems, because we've already done all of the practice set in a previous video. Okay, number 9, Chin and his sister were making a model plane at 1 to 36 scale. If the length of the actual plane is 60 feet, how many inches long should they make the model? It says begin by converting 60 feet to inches. So if I'm going to convert 60 feet to inches, and I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot, that's going to be my conversion factor right there, or my unit multiplier. So then I have 60 times 12 over 1, which is, I believe, 720 inches. So that's the length of the actual plane in inches. So I know that I have 1 to 36, and this is the model to real life, IRL, in real life. And it says the actual plane is 720. So how long should they make the model? So I'm going to change colors here really quick. Cross multiply, so I have 36x is equal to 1 times 720. 36x is equal to 720. 36 goes into 720. 20 times. So that it's 20 inches on the model. Okay, transversal R, that's this one. Intersects parallel lines S and T. So I have R, S, and T. These are all lines. If the measure of each acute angle is 4x and obtuse angle is 5x, then what is the measure of each acute and each obtuse angle? Okay, so I'm going to change my colors up here. Let me erase what I've got, and we'll do let's do blue for acute. So acute means less than, so this is going to be 4x, and let's see, this will be 4x, which makes this 4x, and this 4x, and then let me pick a different color for obtuse. We'll do green. So green will be my obtuse angle, which is 5x. So all of my obtuse greater than 90 degrees, 5x, 5x, 5x. And they're asking for the measure of each obtuse and acute angle. So what I know, let me get to some sort of neutral color here. I know that 5x plus 4x is equal to 180, because remember these are in degrees, right? So if this is the line and I do the whole thing, that's 180 degrees. So 5 plus 4 is 9. I'm just combining like terms here. Divide by 9, and I get x is equal to 20. That doesn't tell me about what the acute angle and the obtuse angle is. I have to plug that in. So for acute angles are 4x, which is going to be 4 times 20, which is 80. And then I can just subtract that from 180 to get the obtuse angles. So there. Alright, 12 less than, so I know I'm subtracting 12 from something. Twice what number, so that's 2, we don't know what the number is equals 86. So 12 less, that's subtracting 12. Twice what number, that's 2 times some number we don't know, is equals an x. Okay, and then if we solve this, it's a two-step problem, so the first step is to add or subtract. So I get 2x is equal to 98. I'm going to have to take my second step up here, guys. So second step, multiply or divide. So I have 2x is equal to 98 over 2 over 2. X is equal to 98 divided by 2. It's 49. 49. Okay. Okay. The coordinates of the vertices of a right triangle are -2, -2. So let's see, -2, -2. There's 1. -2, 2, -2, 2, and 1, -2. So this is what the triangle looks like. And it says find the length of the hypotenuse. So we're going to use Pythagorean theorem here, where this is going to be A and this is going to be B. So let's see, this is 1, 2, 3. So B is 3. And A is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. A is 4. And we're looking for C. So let's plug that in. Let's see. C squared is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. C squared is equal to 9 plus 16. C squared is equal to 25. And then we square root each side. C is equal to 5. Okay. Compare A cubed and A squared if A is negative. So let's call A -2. We're just suppose. Suppose A is -2. That would mean that this is -2 times -2 times -2. -2 times -2 is +4 times -2 is -8. And then here I have -2 times -2, which is +4, which means that's going to be greater. Let's change colors. Carmilla has a deck of 26 alphabet cards. She mixes the cards, places them face down on the table, and turns them over one at a time. What is the probability that the first 2 cards she turns over are vowels, A, E, I, O, or U? Okay, so the probability the first time of a vowel is going to be 5 out of 26. If that is a vowel, then the probability the second time of a vowel is going to be 4 out of 25, because we took a vowel out the first time, so we're going to, we'll have one less card. So on the probability of 2 vowels, it's 5 over 26 times 4 over 25, which is 20 over, let's see, 26 times 25. Is 650, which is 2 over 65, and I think that's as far as it's going to go. Okay, Alejandro bounced a big ball with a diameter of 20 inches. So the diameter is 20 inches. It says use 3.14 for pi. Find the surface area of the ball. So we're using surface area of a sphere. We're using that formula which we found in the practice set. Surface area of a sphere is 4 times pi times r squared. So let's plug in what we know. 4 times 3.14 times, if this is the diameter, I know my radius is 10. So 10 squared. 4 times 3.14 times 100. So let's see. Four times 3.14 times. And I get 1,256. inches squared. Okay. All right, let's change colors. Find the perimeter of the figure at the right. Use 3.14 for pi. Okay, so the perimeter, so I know if this is 5, then I know this part is 5. I know this is 10 and this is 10. That's inside though. So if that's 30, 10 plus 10 is 20. 30 minus 20 is 10, so this is 10. Now I need to find out what this is so that I can do the perimeter. So that would be circumference. So I have 2 times 3.14 times r is equal to 10, which is 2 times 3.14 times 62.8. And then I have to divide that by 2 because I only have half of a circle, which is 31.4. So this is 31.4. So my perimeter is equal to 31.4 plus 10 plus 5 plus 30 plus 5, which is 81.4. Okay, find the volume of this right circular cylinder. So the volume is going to be the area of the base times the height. This is my height. My base is a circle, so the area is going to be pi r squared. R is equal to 10. It says use 3.14 for pi. So that's my area of the base. I'm going to plug that in right there. 314 times 10. That's my volume. Okay, let's change colors. The total surface area of the cylinder includes the area of the two circles and the curved side. What is the total surface area? So the area of the top is equal to 314. We found that out right here. The area of the bottom is equal to 314 because it's the same as the top. And then the area of the side, this is going to be equal to the circumference times the height. So let's see, circumference is going to be 2 pi r, which is 2 times 3.14 times 10. Let's see, and that's going to be 62.8. So this is 62.8 times 10, which is going to be 628. So we have 628 plus 314 plus 314, and I get as a surface area 1,256. Okay. Looks like we have a few more. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here. We'll do 25, the next 3 on the next video. So this will be a part 1 of 2.